Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best thigh acne treatment on the market, the butt acne clearing treatment by Tobcharm. This maximum strength body cream is specifically formulated to target acne on the back, buttocks, thighs, and chest. If you've been struggling with stubborn body acne or backne, this might be the solution you've been searching for. The formula is designed to clear pimples, scars, and dark spots, helping to restore your skin's smooth and healthy appearance. What sets this product apart is its gentle yet powerful approach. It contains skin-friendly acids that deeply clean and exfoliate without harsh irritation, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Whether you're a teen or an adult, male or female, this treatment works effectively against difficult acne types like cystic acne and folliculitis. One of the great things about this cream is its versatility. While it's marketed as a butt acne treatment, it's equally effective on other acne-prone body areas such as the back, chest, and thighs. It doubles as a lightweight lotion that you can apply daily to keep your skin clear and prevent new breakouts. For convenience, the product comes in a compact size, making it easy to carry in your bag or travel kit. This means you can maintain your skincare routine wherever you go, whether at home, the gym, or on vacation. No need to worry about blackheads, backne, or acne scars interrupting your confidence. Safety is a priority with this lotion. It's free from harsh chemicals and designed to provide a gentle, anti-acne experience. Many users appreciate that it doesn't cause stinging, redness, or dryness, which are common issues with many acne treatments. This makes it a trustworthy choice for those with sensitive or reactive skin. Using this cream is simple. After cleansing and drying your skin, apply a thin layer of the cream to the affected area and gently massage it in until fully absorbed. For best results, it is recommended to use the treatment twice daily or as directed by a healthcare professional. Overall, the butt acne clearing treatment by Tobcharm offers a specialized, effective, and user-friendly solution for body acne. If you've been looking for a product that tackles acne on your thighs, buttocks, chest, or back without causing irritation, this cream might be the perfect fit. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.